Hi guys, it's David Wynn. Just a quick update regarding my status with Commission Hero. So, a lot of people have been asking me what's the changes, how I've been doing. So, honestly, been doing very well. What happens is in the course, you're gonna learn that slow is fast. Robby's gonna teach you a lot about slow is fast. So what happened is I got excited, got in, started making $400, $500 days, and didn't realize I went a little bit too quick, all right? So you wanna make sure when you get in and start scaling your offers that you're looking at the ROI, the return on investment, and then scale slowly. You don't have to rush it, because then you're gonna find maybe you keep your ads going an extra day longer than they should be, right? You're not analyzing the data as much. So that's what I did, and I'll just be honest with you guys. And I started noticing like my third month, the profits were dipping a little bit because I wasn't paying as much attention. My landing page wasn't as perfect as I could have been, right? My offer that I was going after maybe wasn't the best offer. So I started with a new offer, new landing page, essentially new everything, and starting to yield results, okay? So I'm just getting in the car here. Starting to yield some really, really good results. I'll show you guys a screenshot if you want, but essentially when I started back up with a brand new lander, new copy, new everything, we're talking the first day was like, I started really, really light and low budget on the ad. So I had a, $50 something, then 60, then 100, and then I had my 300 and something days. Yesterday I just did over 300, and I'm gonna turn on the light here. I had over 300, and I'm just looking to grow, but this time with a higher return on investment, this time with a better understanding of the cost per purchase for every offer that I have right now. So is Commission Hero worth it? With a quick update, 100% yes. It's crazy amount of value, guys, that you can use. You can use what you learned for affiliate marketing and Facebook training, Facebook ad training, and it applies to your business. It applies to any organization out there, but at the same time, this one teaches you how to scale affiliate offers. And in my opinion, the affiliate marketing game is just going to continue to grow. Yeah, so it's just going to continue to grow and expand. And you were on your way to a 1K day. I'm on my way back. I think my biggest day last time before I took a pause for almost a month to learn again was 980. So after you make your 1K day, you get a black and gold hat, and I didn't get a chance to get that. I was off by like $20 or something. So Robby, I'm coming for that. I'm coming for that black and gold hat, man. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a quick update. Slow is fast. You're gonna learn. Slow is fast. Affiliate marketing is a really nice business because you get to run your own hours. You're in control of what happens. So as long as you're willing to put the time, the effort, then you can definitely get success. I see people having 10K days, 20K days. It's pretty incredible, really. Seeing people all over the world have so much money coming in and success. But I'm not going to say it's a magic button, right? It's going to take studying. It's going to take learning. It's going to take... Most people that have a lot of success is they go through the program once, actually twice before they even scale ads. So they take the time, they do the research, they watch the videos, they do the coaching. There's 2 calls a week from the coaches every week, and Robby has its own training as well in addition for new signups. So plenty of value, guys, and I was able to make my money back within the first month. I can also teach you guys about organic affiliate marketing sales, which is my specialty. But man, with this CLICKBANK offers and scaling Facebook ads is definitely a lot of money to be made. So something to master and something to work on. If you're asking for my opinion, for $1,000, yes, get in. If you need any help, have any questions at all, it's David Wynn, August University. And I'll see you guys in the next one. If you have any questions at all, just comment below, right? Don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'll give you my contact information. And for anyone new to affiliate marketing, just looking to make their first sale, I also now offer, based on popular demand, based on request, for consulting. So I do 1-hour consulting sessions, and I can teach you how to build your personal brand and start making sales through ads, but more importantly, organically as well, in addition, so you have multiple streams of income. If you're interested in that, it's going to be in my link below, my contact information. But also, if you want to get into Commission Hero, click below, get in. Appreciate you guys. As a bonus, if you get in using my Commission Hero link, obviously I'm an affiliate marketer, so I get, it helps my business a little bit if you use my link. As a bonus, I'll get on a call with you anyway, which is normally, has a cost to it, but I'll include a 1-hour session if you need it. Maybe you a quick learner and, you just get right into it. But as a thank you, I'll do that. And if you need any share funnels or anything like that for a particular niche, I might have something for you as well. All right. Appreciate you guys. David, August University. I'll talk to you guys soon.